Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we get a look at a 2005 Fleetwood Southwind. A little blast from the past here. It's a pretty cool coach. We're going to give it a full interior and exterior look. We're going to check out all the compartments that we can, maybe even get up on the roof and see what that has to offer. So let's actually start right now on the outside. We're going to start here right in the rear. So you got a little small compartment right there. Well, you got your main compartment right there, and that's the little ladder extension. Some more storage there. This is a full body paint coach. It is a double slide out. It's on that Super Duty chassis with the V10 Triton engine. And you got the back of the fridge right above. And we got our water heater right below, which is a 10-gallon water heater. Back of the furnace, probably around 30,000 BTU output. Potable water behind that little guy right there. And then we're waiting on a handle. Got to replace that. Got another storage compartment right behind there. Your awning on this coach is a manual awning. That's why you got this little kind of pull tab right there. I do have it out. It looks to be in really good condition too. Making our way on over to the propane area. There's your awning stick on the overhead area. And then 24.2 gallons on the propane. And you can see some levelers down there too. Michelin tires. 245 70R 19.5s. I'll find you a date. If I remember correctly, they were 2021s. We'll have to look on another tire. Try to avoid this sun. So you do have a little bit of clear coat peeling. It's going to be hard to see with the sun, but let's see. See a little bit right there on that front cap. It's not too bad. It's pretty common, especially on a 2005, but it is there. One thing I love about older Fleetwoods, entry doors. A little bit easier just going to the gas station. All right, next tire. Here we go. 1521, if you can see that. 15th week, 2021. Now all these compartments on this next slide, your galley slide, are all connected to the slide, so there's no pass-through storages. You can see roughly how deep they are right there. There you go. Nice kind of full slide storage right there. Now our slide toppers on this. It's a double AC coach. You got a 50 amp power service. And then I love these because you do have another little kind of opening right there to access if you got skis or, I don't know, a wakeboard, something long. 5500 to run those double ACs. Got your dump station, outdoor shower, low point drains, power cord. Like I said, 50 amp power service. Oh, I didn't unlock it. Fuel in the back. I love fuel in the back. Hard to see also. I'll see if I can get up on the roof and show you, but a little bit of clear coat peeling on the rear cap. Yeah, 6,000 pounds is what she says. 710. Oh, is that a spare tire under there too? All right, I'm gonna go get that extension. We'll jump up on the roof. And here we are. Double AC's up there. I got a satellite up there too. Probably out of date, but it's there. And then you can kind of see some of that clear coat on this cap. Overall, I mean, for an 05, God, this roof looks great. All right, time to jump inside. 2 exterior steps coming in. And yes, that is green carpet. They did some crazy stuff back over there in 2005, let me tell you. Here's your first view of the coach. So we're gonna start up front. Upgraded Vizio TV. Whole bunch of cabinet space. First things first, 64, 831. Now we are waiting on a control module for the leveling system. That's why you see that there. It normally goes in to that little missing hole right there. You also got fan controls, light controls, hood light, and then auxiliary start on the left side. Cruise control on the wheel. You see that? It's a 6-disc CD changer right there. Hot damn. What we got on the gen set? 1367.1. 1367.1. You do also have, you did have a backup camera right here, but in 05 they had the old school monitors, so they totally went with a newer color one. And still have access to the storage right here, and the desk right here for the passenger. Very nice. Passenger also has power down below if they do want to do something on the computer. You can see manual seats on the passenger, power seats, 6-way seats on the driver's seat. Always got to look at the condition of these seats too. There's your power. You got a little nick right there, a little bit right there, and then it looks like they probably put the slide in with the seat too far back. Quite common. Weight tags if you care. Oh, and there's your King Dome controls. The easy reading material. Look at this. Look at that. 5-disc changer. And then above, right when you walk into the right, you got this little barrel chair with some storage up above it. Behind, little pop-up desk. All right, and there's the rest of the galley. Let's start on the slide right here. So as usual, overhead storages should be all connected. We'll double check. What is that, like a fuchsia couch? Pull out. And it's actually still quite comfortable. It's got a lot of back support. And then these, same concept right there. Dinette. It is a cloth dinette. I know you got the little bit of green detailing in there and on the valances and the pillows, but it's in good condition. And it does also have your extra little pull-out drawers right here. It is on either side. All right, look at my printouts really quick. We're selling this guy for $39,995. I'll put all my contact info on the screen a couple times in this video so you can ask me some questions if you got any. Nope. Get out of there. Ford, not Workhorse. Standard features. Interior, exterior, available options. All right, so the kitchen, not bad. You got a little pop-up leaf right there. Solid surface countertops throughout. Absolutely massive sink. You got a dual bay sink, one right there, and then one right there. Second area, you can add a sprayer or soap dispenser. 2 burners in the back there, 1 burner right up front. Water heater power, gas or electric. Oh, hey, always nice. And then up above the sink, got a little light, got a little paper towel holder, and then a whole bunch of more storage. And you know, they probably dealt with some things flying out because they added a lot of these kind of cabinet stays. I'll show you some more here. Some tall cabinetry right there. This doesn't look original. Yeah, and then just to the right is your fridge. 8 cubic foot Dometic propane all electric fridge and freezer. At one point there was a ice maker in the freezer. It's not in there now. You could always put another one in. A little bit of storage up above for them tall people again. Tell me what's up there. And then you got a pantry storage just to the right. Now they did also, where'd my little pen go that I was holding? This guy right here. They added that inside so this will stay in place. I'm sure this may have opened once or twice on them. Probably put a good amount of cans in there, but you know, decent sized pantry storage to say the least. And we'll put that pen back in. Easy enough. Just to the right of that is actually closet space. So additional wardrobes than what's already in the bedroom. Now you do still have green carpet in the closet too. All right, now let's step back here a little bit. There's a lot of handles in this coach too. A lot of handles. A lot of handles. Level testers, power control, access to water, thermostat. You got your bathroom just before we get in. Raised pedestal toilet. Porcelain too. Nice decent sized sink. Yellow. We got a no medicine cabinet, but some storage there. Some more right here. Fantastic fan. And then there is a skylight in the shower. It's the bathtub shower. Look at that. Look at that bathtub. And then, you know, you got your very hotel-like dispensers too. Not a bad bathroom. A little tight, but not too bad for a 32 foot. All right, then your last slide is back here in the bedroom. Right there to there. It looks to be about 3 foot deep. Houses the queen bed in here. And then in front of the bed, more closetry space. Another TV being upgraded. Another little stay. Breaker box down there. Makeup center. And it actually has an area to put a chair in there, which is nice. 6 drawers under your 2 main wardrobes. All about that size. And then your actual wardrobe storage. You got one on the right, and then these are cool. Turn the lights on and off every time you open it. And then one on the left too. Very nice. Now you always got overhead bed storage. Nothing changes. They're all connected, all the same size. And then we do have some underbed storage. You know, that's the walkthrough right there. 2005 Fleetwood Southwind 32 VS. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any questions, I'll leave all my contact info down in the description box. Give me a call, shoot me a text, give me an email, whatever's the easiest way for you to contact me. Thank you so much for viewing. I hope you guys have a great day.